Welcome to News Pulse, your go-to source for the latest updates in the world of sports. The ICC tournament witnessed yet another thrilling contest as New Zealand delivered a dominant performance to knock Bangladesh out of the competition. With a well-executed strategy in the middle overs, Rachin, Ravindra and Bracewell turned the tide in New Zealand's favor, securing a crucial victory. Stay with us as we break down the key moments from this exciting clash. Bangladesh came into this must-win match under immense pressure, knowing that only a victory would keep their tournament hopes alive. They started with intent, looking to build a solid foundation, but the game shifted dramatically in the middle overs. That's when New Zealand spinners Rachin, Ravindra and Bracewell took control. Bangladesh's batters initially looked comfortable, rotating the strike and finding gaps, but once Ravindra and Bracewell were introduced into the attack, everything changed. The duo applied relentless pressure, tightening the field, varying their lengths, and forcing the batters into uncomfortable positions. As a result, the runs dried up, and Bangladesh's middle order started crumbling under the pressure. The wickets kept falling at crucial moments, breaking any momentum Bangladesh tried to build. Despite a few moments of resistance, they were restricted to a below-par total, which was never going to be enough against a strong New Zealand batting lineup. Chasing a modest target, New Zealand approached the innings with patience and precision. Although Bangladesh managed to strike early with a couple of quick wickets, the Black Caps never looked in real trouble. Their middle order, known for its stability, absorbed the pressure and guided the team towards victory with calculated stroke play and smart running between the wickets. As the innings progressed, Bangladesh's bowling attack struggled to create enough chances to pull the game back in their favor. Eventually, New Zealand reached the target comfortably, sealing the win and officially eliminating Bangladesh from the tournament. The standout performers of the match were undoubtedly Rachin, Ravindra and Bracewell. Ravindra, with his all-round skills, contributed significantly with both bat and ball, while Bracewell's tactical bowling in the middle overs choked Bangladesh's scoring rate. Their ability to break partnerships and maintain pressure was the defining factor in New Zealand's success. This victory is yet another testament to New Zealand's disciplined and calculated approach in high-stakes games. With their clinical performance, the Black Caps continue their strong campaign and move one step closer to the knockout rounds. With Bangladesh now officially out of the tournament, the focus shifts to New Zealand's upcoming matches. Can they carry this momentum forward and challenge the top contenders for the title? Only time will tell. What do you think about New Zealand's performance? Do they have what it takes to go all the way? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to News Pulse for more exciting sports coverage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.